everybody. It's 6:25. That's the town I just left. There wasn't much. Here comes a couple other hikers, and we're heading this way in the dark. Good morning, everybody. It's day 20. We're just coming into the first town. It's only 7 o'clock in the morning.
Turn left onto Calle de la Era.
It's only 7 o'clock in the morning. There's nobody awake. I've seen one person pass me. Actually, I take that back. There were 4 at the very beginning. So 5 people passed me, but the streets are quiet. So we're continuing on. Won't get anything here. And that's okay. I got plenty of water. I got my trail mix. Good morning. It's 7 o'clock. The sun's just starting to rise. You can see the sky brightening. They moved us over close to a highway. So we got lots of cars whizzing by, and you see this big square. That's a road sign. But beautiful sunrise. It's definitely getting lighter. It's not as light as the picture shows, but you can see the beautiful yellows and oranges in there. Let me turn around here. This is what it still looks like outside. I can see stuff, but it's very dark. Now we can see the trail. This looks a lot brighter than it actually is, but I turn that way. Sun hasn't crested yet, but soon. We've completed 3 miles. We're walking through sunflower fields, all dead, drying out to harvest. We got wheat fields, and over here we have a dirt road. But this is the path we're traveling on our way to the next town, and then on to where the albergue is at. It's just after 8:10 this morning. The sun just came up over the horizon. You can see the sun shining off the sign over there. Hasn't hit me yet because I got all these trees in the way, but it's okay. Sun's up now. It will start getting warmer. It's been a chilly morning. It's fine as long as I keep hiking. So a good day to hike, and continuing on. Entering the next city. I've heard it pronounced Shogun. It's the next largest city, or it is a big city. It's a mile across, almost. This is considered the halfway point. My map shows that I actually hit the halfway point yesterday. But I think they say that this is the halfway point because this is the next big town that you come into after you hit the halfway point. So I'm told that you can get a halfway capestello, which is the certificate for finishing here. Don't know if that's true, but I'm going to check it out. Also, I think I'll get something to drink, maybe get something to eat for breakfast. It's only 8:30 in the morning, so it's too early to call it brunch, but get something in my belly to fuel me for the rest of the day until dinner. Dinner's normally served 6:30 or 7:30, between 6:30 and 7:30 at night. So need something before that. Another cool mural as you walk into town. All about hiking the Camino. And of course they end with Buen Camino. Here's where we get our halfway capestello. And of course, it's uphill. That's okay. I got 20 minutes before they even open. Glad I didn't leave earlier. I'm here about 20 minutes before it's time that they open. But I thought I'd just show you a picture all the way around. That beeping is telling me that I am off course because this is not actually on the Camino. So that's where I am right now.
Oh,
I got my halfway certificate.
Yeah, maybe, yes.
Also, I got a tube, so I'll put it in the tube so I don't get it all damaged. And I think I'm going to go see the church as well. So the cost to enter was €3. plus $1 or 1.5 euro for the tube. And with that, you get to tour the church and the museum. And you get the halfway certificate. So I got my halfway certificate. So I thought I'd go and see the sanctuary of the church before I head on out. They've done a lot of restoration to this building. And this is some of the pictures of the restoration process. It shows you the condition of it when they started. All the holes in it. And they had the scaffolding and did all the work. On the left is what it is now. Actually, and then on the right, I think, is the original. Oh, down here. Sorry. Beautiful building. Going to head out and do some more hiking. I got 6 more miles to go. Guys, I'm just over 3 miles from my albergue. I just exited town. Found this this bench here in this little park right across from the Camino. So I stopped here. Didn't really find anything to eat. There was 2 bars. One was closed. The other one didn't have any food out. And when I tried to speak to them, they spoke 0 English. So couldn't really order. Probably could have figured out something, but I figured, what the heck, I'm continuing on. I only have 3 miles to go. It's less than an hour and a half or 2 hours. So I'm continuing on. But before I do, I'm going to finish my trail mix, sit here on the bench for a few minutes, eat my trail mix, have some water, and then head on out. Guys, I don't know where I got 3 miles. It's actually a little bit over 5, but that's okay. Continuing on walking. It's 10:30, so 5 hours or 5 miles. I should definitely be there by 2, probably 1:30. Talk to you on the trail. Hey guys, still walking along this highway. It's getting a little farther away from us. We got this little road next to us, which doesn't have much traffic, But this is the path we're walking on. Beautiful shaded. As you can see, there's cornfield over here, irrigation pipes to water it. But walking through on some shade. It's a nice breezy day. Feels pretty good out here. I made my way to the albergue. This is the Albergue La Parala. This is where I'm staying for the night. I've already checked in, got my shower, and turned in my laundry to be washed. A couple of other pilgrims heading out. The excellent flute player there. So, yes, in for the evening. I did do a half a meal tonight. I'm not doing 3-course. I'm doing a 2-course. So I'm doing a chicken and fries, and a dessert. So they also had a 3-course. I decided not to do that, but this is where I'm staying. Pretty cool. Hey guys, going to do a wrap up. Did a 12-mile day today. Wasn't bad except for the heat in the later part of the day. Got in about 1 o'clock to the albergue. Got a shower, got the clothes washed, got them hung up, took a 2-hour siesta, and then got ready to, went and got the clothes, got ready to for dinner, and just went down for dinner. Had a chicken and fries and ice cream for dessert and water to drink. Just did the 2-course meal. I didn't do the full 3-course meal, which I was glad I didn't because it was a lot of food. Had a wonderful dinner with CJ and Sharon from they're originally from Utah. I think he lives in Tennessee now. He might be in Utah. His Sharon lives in Texas. So had a great conversation with them during dinner. It was nice to have dinner with them and a good conversation, good friends. And I'm getting ready to call for night. I'm going to go ahead and put the video together and upload it, and then I'm going to be out. It's early. It's only 7:30 here, but I am tired, and I have a 16-mile day, a little over 16-mile day tomorrow. So I'm going to try to get out of here early tomorrow.